Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Hope everyone's doing fine out there. So here in this video, I'll show you something I found on Reddit. It's about how to get TikTok coins totally for free, and you don't need to share your account logins or anything confidential. I've been using this for a while, and I'll redo the process and show you guys how you can do it too. So let's go over to the coin thing right here, and you guys are going to see the magic. So this is pretty insane. I mean, you don't really think about this stuff like, could it even happen? But hey, look at me. Right now I got 0, but I'm going to show you. I did this in the past. It's pretty insane. They go up like crazy. So what you want to do, guys, is follow me. Go to this website right here. So let me just type it in. The website you want to go to is called talkcoins.us. So it's talkcoins.us, guys. So just go to this site, and once you're here, you're going to have to choose how much you want to generate, and then you're going to have to put in your username. So let me just type this in right here. I'm just going to enter in my username right here. So make sure you put in your real username. Obviously, it's going to send them to somebody else if you don't. And then you just want to press proceed and wait for it to connect right here. So connected. All right. And confirm ID. So press that and then wait for it to load. All right. Setting up files. Awesome. Establishing connection. Just wait. Preparing to generate. Okay. So once it is done, guys, it's going to show you this little page with all the coins, and it says generation completed. Performing spam verification. So I'm already verified. That's awesome. So it says spam verification. So basically, if you're using the site for the first time, you'll need to do a robot verification or a spam verification, which is needed to be done only once. So here you see it says I'm verified already, which I already did, and the coins have been sent. So obviously, if you have done this for the first time, you will have to do that verification, but for me, that's not the case. So remember, the website is talkcoins.us. So you only have to do spam verification once, guys, and then every other time you shouldn't have to do it. So let us open TikTok and see if they're actually there. So still at, oh my gosh, didn't even have to say it. They're going up like crazy, guys. This is insane. So I know there are a lot of people out there that do not want to spend money on the TikTok coins. Just try this, guys. Look at me. I mean, it worked for me. It should work for you. 17,500. That's pretty big. So let's go ahead and actually use these. Let's like join a TikTok live or whatever. Donate to a creator or something. So let's go over here and let's see what we got going on. All right, so this is live right here. And we can send a gift or whatever, a rose. I'm not really... Okay, we can send all this stuff. I'm not really too sure what they all are, but as you can see, they cost an amount of TikTok coins. So 5, I just sent it. All right. So as you can see, these are real. Obviously, if they were not real, I could not do this. So be sure to try it out. And I mean, this is just super awesome. We can send the emojis and stuff. So this is super crazy, guys. Be sure to try it out right now. I mean, I'm always looking for ways to get TikTok coins, and this is the best way. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.